Hi guys, today we're doing a car wash and today we are doing a orange Skoda. Is that right, Skoda? Yeah, I'm gonna go with Skoda. So, now we can get rid of some of the little bits of dirt so we can see our colouring car. And now for a bit of soap. Soapy! So now we can wash the soap off of our car and do a little dry with our So now we can do the wheels and and now we can go out and choose some colours. So yeah. So now we can do some colours, and I'm gonna do, that's meant to be orange, whatever. And now we can do some lights. Yeah. So that is the end of this video. I will see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. We have done lots more if you want to check them out. And bye guys.